Welcome to Creations with Carrie. This is my assistant Samali, and today we're going to teach you how to make an origami boat. You can also stop this a couple steps ahead of the boat, and it can be a hat as well. So today we're going to be using a purple rectangle paper. The first thing you're going to do is you want to fold your paper in half long ways, like a hot dog. Fold yours. Perfect. Okay, hold it up. Now, we're going to open it, and we're going to fold it in half the other way. Perfect. Good job. Now, we're going to take our two corners, and we're going to fold them to that middle line we just created, like this. So one here. Poke it out. Like this. Press it down. And now our other side here. Okay? Perfect. You can do it all by yourself. So now you have something that looks like this. It kind of does look like a boat right now. It looks kind of like a sailboat. Okay, perfect. For the next step, we're going to take this bottom part here, and we're going to fold the front up just like this. Good job. So now yours looks like this. Now you will turn it over, and you're going to fold it up to the other side. Perfect. Now, if you stop right here, you can open this up, and you can have a little hat. Can you open yours? But we're going to continue, and we're going to make this into a boat. So, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this. Watch this, it's a little tricky. So I'm going to basically press down so it closes the other way. And then I just lay these parts flat in here. Let me show you that again, because I know it's a little tricky. So I have my hat, and I turn it on the side, holding it like this. At the top, I'm going to press it down so it closes and becomes a square. So ready? Press it down. Perfect. And show us your square. Very nice. Once we have the square, the sides that have the rectangles on them, those are at the bottom. Perfect. And now we're going to fold this top up right here. I'm going to fold this part here, and the other side will fold up there. Okay, let's see. There you go. Perfect. So fold that one there. And that one there. Press it down. Okay, so now it looks like this, okay? So if you need to catch up, you can pause the video at any time and try to catch up so you are ended up with this triangle. After this, we are very close to our last step. So the final steps for this is just like we did before. You're going to hold this on its side, and you're going to press down so that it now becomes a square. Let me show you that again because I know that's kind of confusing. You have a triangle, right? You hold the triangle on its side, and you press down. Yep, just like that. Yep, she's got it. Press down, and now you have a square, okay? Once you have this square, this is kind of the tricky part, you're going to take the bottoms as a final step and pull them out, and this creates your boat. Okay? So let me show you that again. I have my square. The top parts here, I can kind of pull them out. Kind of looks like a blooming flower until I pull it out. Yep, you just did it. You just did it upside down. Perfect. Very, very nice. Ready? So we pull our sides. And ta-da! A boat. So this boat is really cool because this boat will actually float on water. So if you have a bunch of people in your family make this boat, you could have boat races in a little creek or a river to see which boat can go the fastest. You could also put little people in here, like little Lego people, and you can play with them in here. If you have a bathtub, you can put this into the bathtub as well, and it will float on the water. So I hope you have fun with your boat. Can you hold up your boat, please? Enjoy! Bye!
Bye.